To make slime?
Okay.
What do we need? We need glue, sugar, a bowl, and food coloring. That's sugar. Okay, pour it in the bowl. Squeeze it real hard. One drop of food coloring. Mix it, mix it. Kara. So let's pour the sugar. Now stir it. Real fast. So we've added like 2 tablespoons of sugar so far. And we're just gonna keep stirring till it gets thick. So this is not slime. This is a bubbly, messy monster. It looks like bars.